Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone.
Alright, so we are looking at Lesson 22, page 23 of the John Kenyon Basic Training Course for Trombone. And we are looking at Key of A flat, working on the higher notes. So the last one we had the low D flat in fifth. Now we have the high D flat in second. And it can be done in fifth if needed. Traditionally done in second just for ease of use. Here we go. 1, 2. Do that with better breathing. And moving on now. So next we have the A flat scale. And we have the full octave, drop a perfect fourth from A flat to E flat, back up to A flat, and then we do 4 notes up and back down. So we're not doing a 2 octave A flat scale. They have us topping off at the D flat. Right in there. And so you just want to watch as you're going through up and down. When they have these scales that don't do the full octave, make sure you're listening for your intonation on that. And let's see. All right, that's better. All right, number 2, A flat scale, 1 octave, drop a fourth, and then second octave, not quite full. Repeat. All right, now we have bugle call, and this is all in third. This is E flats, A flats, C's only. Fast and lively. You can do that with better air. All right, and moving on now. We have Minuet by Bach, the key of B flat, but traditionally this tune is actually in the key of G. Done in B flat just to get used to band keys, and here we go. Let's take it at about 80. All right. So here we are looking at French folk tune. In this one, we have our first section, our repeat, then our second section, part B, and then our DC, go back to the beginning and play to fine. So here we go, we'll go at, it's in cut time. I'm going to do this at about a speed of 70. Let's play 68. 1 and 2 and 1 and. And here's part, or well, number 6, duet part. 1 and 2 and 1 and. Ooh. Here's lesson 22, number 6, cut time. This is the duet part. 1 and 2 and don't rush. And here's.
Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.